Hello everyone. We will learn today to get a APK file from Xamarin. Absolutely, I'm work in Visual Studio. Easy way. So let's start. I have this application. I built it. Let's try and you check. There is no error and everything is okay. Click to check. Nice, it's work. So we don't have any error and everything okay. Okay, first of all we will need to change this from debug to release, and from project properties set the application icon, choose one, and set the version number. Now when we need update the program or upload it to Google Play, we should have application name. It will be appear here. This is application name and package name. Version, when we update this program in Google Play, we will change it from 1 to 2, F2 to 3, and now we will from project we will click on airship and wait. Now it's airship the project. Backing. Take some time. Good. Now archive is complete. So now we will click here and choose ad hoc. Now click here and give it some values. Alias, we will give a name, for example. Password, we should save it in safe place, because when we update the program, we will select this package, and and every update we should use this we build it. So let's make password and confirm, validate, full name, project name. Now click create Good. And save. Select the location and the APK file, for example, project, and save. And save. Okay. Good. Now we have the APK file. Let's test it. Okay. Install app and select the APK file we make it. Good. Install successfully. Click. Good. It's work. Thanks for watching, and I'm sorry for this English, but my English not well, but I try to make it better. Don't forget share and comment if you have any question. Just comment. Goodbye.